Let's take a look at this example. Before we are going to apply quadratic formula, we're supposed to organize this equation. We have to move everything, whatever I have on the right side of my equal sign, to the left side. So I have 5x squared plus 4x minus 10x minus 8 equals 0. Next, I'm supposed to combine the like terms. And I have 5x squared. Positive 4x minus 10x is equal negative 6x minus 8 is equal 0. This is my A. Negative 6 is my B. Negative 8 is my C. Next, we're supposed to write the quadratic formula. X is equal minus B plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. This is equal negative. You have to copy down this negative sign. And b is equal negative 6. That's why I have to write negative 6 plus minus square root. And I have b squared negative 6. I have to raise the second power. Minus 4 times a. A is equal 5 times c, which is equal negative 8, over 2 times a is equal 2 times 5 equals. I have x equals negative times negative gives me positive 6 plus minus square root. Negative 6 to the second power is equal 36. And I have negative times positive will give me negative, times negative will give me positive. And I have 4 times 5 is equal 20. Times 8 gives me 160. So that's why I'm going to write 160 over here. Everything over 2 times 5 is equal 10. Equals 6 plus minus square root. And I have 36 plus 160. This is equal 196 over 10. This is equal 6 plus minus and square root of 196 is equal 14. That's why I'm going to write over here 14 over 10. And I have x equals 6 plus 14 over 10, which is equal 6 plus 14, 20 over 10 is equal 2. So this is one of my answers. Or x equals 6 minus 14 over 10. 6 minus 14 is equal negative 8 over 10. If I'm going to reduce this fraction by 2, I'm going to have negative 4 over 5. So I can say that these are the solutions to my problem.